Hello, mindful souls. Welcome back to your mind. Today, we're diving into the transformative practice of mindfulness in everyday activities. Mindfulness, often perceived as a formal meditation practice, is so much more. It's a way of living, a way of being fully present in every moment of our lives. It's about experiencing life as it unfolds, without the lens of judgment or distraction. Imagine a life where every activity, from sipping your morning coffee to answering emails, becomes a profound experience. This is what mindfulness offers. It's not about emptying your mind, but filling it with awareness. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often miss the beauty of the present moment. But what if we could change that? What if we could infuse mindfulness into our everyday activities, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary? From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, mindfulness can be your companion, enhancing every experience. Let's begin with a mindful morning. As you awaken from sleep, instead of allowing your mind to race towards the day's tasks, take a moment to simply be. Feel the softness of your sheets, the cool air of the morning, the gentle rhythm of your breath. Now, move on to your morning shower. Instead of letting your thoughts wander, focus on the sensation of the water against your skin. Feel the warmth envelop you, the droplets cascading down. This is not just a shower, but a moment of connection with your senses. Next, breakfast time. As you eat, pay attention to every bite. Taste the sweetness or the saltiness. Feel the texture, savor the flavors. This is not just eating, but a celebration of your senses. Lastly, before stepping into your day, take a moment to breathe deeply. With each inhale, welcome positivity. With each exhale, release any tension. By starting your day with intention, you set a positive tone for the hours ahead. Whether you're working from home or in an office, mindfulness can transform your workday. The key lies in creating mindful work habits. Start by taking short breaks throughout your day. During these breaks, step away from your desk, stretch your body, and take a few deep breaths. This simple act not only gives your body a much-needed rest, but also helps clear your mind, making room for fresh ideas. Next, focus on your breath. It's easy to fall into the trap of shallow breathing, especially when you're under stress. But by consciously focusing on your breath, you can lower stress levels and improve concentration. Lastly, be present in your tasks. Instead of worrying about the past or future, concentrate on the task at hand. This single-pointed focus can do wonders for your productivity and creativity. By being fully present in your work, you enhance creativity and productivity. Eating isn't just about nourishing your body. It's an opportunity to engage your senses fully. Mindful eating is a practice that encourages us to slow down and appreciate the food we consume. It's about truly experiencing each bite, from the first whiff of aroma to the last lingering taste. Imagine sitting down to a meal, fully present with no distractions. You notice the vibrant colors on your plate, the smell of spices, the warmth of freshly cooked food. As you take a bite, you savor the explosion of flavors, the texture, and the sensation of satisfaction that follows. This practice isn't about dieting or restriction, it's about appreciation and enjoyment. It's about forming a deeper, healthier relationship with food. Mindful eating can make meals a time of relaxation and pleasure, rather than stress or mindless consumption. So next time you sit down to eat, try to be fully present. Tune into the flavors, textures, and sensations. You'll be surprised how it transforms your relationship with food. Opening. Our interactions with others offer rich opportunities for mindfulness. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to let conversations become automatic or distracted. But imagine if we approached each conversation as an opportunity to be fully present and attentive. This is the essence of mindful communication. Mindful communication is about more than just the words we say. It's about listening deeply, not just to the words of others, but to the emotions and intentions behind them. It's about responding with thoughtfulness, rather than reacting impulsively. When we communicate mindfully with friends, family, or colleagues, we not only enhance our relationships, we also increase our understanding of others and ourselves. We become more empathetic, compassionate, and patient. So the next time you find yourself in a conversation, try to be fully present. Listen deeply, respond with intention, and see how it transforms your interactions. Ending. By being fully present in conversations, you cultivate stronger connections and understanding. As the day winds down, it's time for evening reflection. This is your opportunity to pause, to step back from the busyness of the day, and to gently embrace the tranquility of the night. It's a moment to let go of any stress or tension, and to breathe in peace and serenity. Imagine each breath as a soothing wave, washing over you, cleansing your mind and relaxing your body. Feel the rhythm of your breathing, steady and comforting, anchoring you in the present moment. Now, let's bring our attention to gratitude. Think about the day's experiences, the people you've interacted with, the tasks you've accomplished. Express gratitude for these moments, for they have shaped your day and in turn, they shape you. By incorporating mindfulness into your evening routine, you create a space for reflection and relaxation. This practice not only fosters mindfulness but also sets the stage for a restful night's sleep. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindfulness in everyday activities. Today we've explored how mindfulness can turn even the most mundane tasks into a source of joy and presence. From savoring the warmth of your morning shower, to fully engaging with your work, to tuning into the sensory delight of eating, and finally, to winding down with an evening reflection, mindfulness can truly enhance every moment of your day. Remember, mindfulness isn't a destination, but a path that leads to a richer, more fulfilling experience of your everyday life. It's not about doing more, but about being more present, more aware, and more connected to yourself and the world around you. So why not start today? Take these practices and weave them into the tapestry of your daily life. If you found value in these mindfulness practices, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Your Mind. Let's create a mindful community together.